The sea roars with thunder as emerald waves crash against burning ships. Cannons blaze through the smoke, and men shout over the storm of fire and splinters. Amid the chaos stands Edward Kenway, his coat whipping in the wind, eyes locked on the horizon. The captain of the Jackdaw, chasing glory in a world of smoke and salt.
Keep firing! Don't give them an inch!
His crew scrambles across the deck, loading cannons, ropes flying as pirates swing between ships. The air burns with gunpowder and sunlight breaking through the clouds.
Can you believe I created this entire demo using just a simple idea and a short script? Well, the tool I'm about to show you can actually turn any script into a cinematic film, complete with camera movements, realistic lip-sync dialogues, and visuals that look straight out of a Hollywood movie. This AI is basically an all-in-one filmmaking studio. It takes you from your first script all the way to a finished video, giving you full creative control at every step. Now, here's what makes it even more powerful. You get advanced features like Agentic Feature, which lets you edit images with text prompt. It also maintains scene continuity, so your characters and locations stay perfectly consistent throughout the story. Plus, it supports multiple video generation models. There's even a built-in timeline editor where you can add background music, text-to-speech narration, and make fine adjustments. Basically, it gives you everything you need to produce a professional-looking AI film, all in one place. The tool I'm talking about is called Katalist AI. Katalist AI allows you to create stunning visual stories with consistent characters and scenes using something called Storyboard AI. Alright, let's get started. First, click the link in the description to create your free account. Once you log in, this is what the homepage looks like. Now, to start a new project, you have two options. You can either click Blank Project to build from scratch, or choose Generate from Idea or Script. For this demo, I'm going to select Generate from Idea or Script. Once you do that, you'll see a page where you can upload your script if you already have one. But here's the cool part. You don't need a script. You can start with just an idea, and the AI will help you build a story from it. However, to get a more detailed and accurate story, I'm going to use ChatGPT to write the script for me. Here's how. Go to our free Discord server and copy the prompt provided there. Paste it into ChatGPT. In the blank area, type your simple story idea, or you can even use Google to search for story title ideas if you're stuck. Once you enter your idea, ChatGPT will instantly create a complete story script for you. Then, just copy that script and paste it into Katalist AI. When you click Continue, the AI will automatically break down your story into smaller scenes. You'll see each line separated clearly so you can manage or edit them easily. If you don't like a line or want to change something, you can edit anything instantly. Once you're happy with your script and scene breakdown, simply click Next. Alright, here, you can see all the different visual styles available inside Katalist AI. You'll find options like cinematic, sketch, computer animation, cartoon, oil painting, and many more. Each style gives your story a completely different look and feel. For this demo, I'm going with the cinematic style. Once you've selected your preferred style, just click on Create Project. Now watch this. The AI will automatically create a cast of characters for your story based on your script. And here's something I really love. You can change anything you want. If you don't like how a character looks, simply click on the character, choose Change Appearance, and then select Create from Scratch. This option lets you fully describe the character, their facial features, clothing, hairstyle, and even upload a reference image if you have one. To make this process even faster, I've created a special prompt you can use in ChatGPT. Just copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate short, detailed descriptions for every character mentioned in your story. Then copy those descriptions back into Katalist AI, click Generate Preview, and you'll instantly get high-quality character results. If you already have reference images, you can upload those too. It helps the AI match the design more accurately. Once you're happy with how your characters look, click Save. You can repeat this step for each character until your full cast looks perfect. When everything is ready, hit Create Project again. And now the AI will start building your complete storyboard automatically. At this point, you'll see all your storyboard images, one for each scene. And the best part is you can customize absolutely everything. For example, at the top, you can still add new characters if you missed anyone earlier. Below that, you can adjust your locations, add new ones to fit your story. Next, if you hover your mouse between two images, you'll see a plus icon. Clicking it allows you to add a new scene right in between. You can also click Edit on any frame to open the editor. Here, change the image prompt, tweak the settings, and then click Generate to create a new version of that same scene. On the left sidebar, you'll find some useful image editing tools. For instance, there's the Object Removal tool. If there's something in the image you don't like, maybe an unwanted object or a mistake, mistake, just mark that area, describe what you want changed, and the AI will automatically regenerate the image with the correction. You'll immediately see the difference. When you're satisfied, click Save to update your storyboard. But now, let me show you an even easier and more powerful way to edit images using one of Katalist AI's newest and smartest features, the agentic feature. Here's how it works. First, click this icon to select the image you want to edit. This opens your AI assistant. Now, just describe what you want in simple, natural English. For example, I can type close-up shot, hit send, and in just a few seconds, the AI generates a brand new image from the same scene, this time with a beautiful close-up angle. Let's try another one. I type side view of the man, and again, the AI instantly gives me a perfect new version showing the same character from the side. And here's one more fun example. I type transform this image to 3D Pixar style, and look at that. The image now looks like it came straight out of a Pixar movie. Colorful, smooth, and full of personality. You can even click on any image to compare all the versions you've created and select the best one for your storyboard. Alright, now that our storyboard is ready, it's time to animate images. In Katalist AI, there are two ways to animate your images, the manual method and the auto method. Let's start with the manual method. If you want to animate your scenes one by one, just click on the edit button for any image, then go to the video section. Here, you'll see two main options, action and dialogue. Action is used to animate the movement in your image. Dialogue is where you can make your characters talk using lip sync that matches the voice perfectly. Once you choose what you want, you can also pick your video model. Katalist supports many popular models like Google Veo, OpenAI Sora 2, Kling, and others. Each one has its own unique animation style, so try a few and see which works best for your story. Now, if you want to save time, here's a faster way, the auto method. Just go back to your storyboard and open the timeline. It works just like a professional video editor. You'll see all your scene images arranged in order. Simply click Generate Videos, choose your preferred video model, and then hit Generate. And that's it. The AI will animate all your scenes at once. This feature is a huge time saver because you don't have to animate each scene manually. But if one specific frame doesn't look right, you can always go back and manually reanimate just that scene. Super convenient. Next, let's add voice and music. You'll find two options here, text-to-speech and upload audio. If you already have a recorded voiceover, you can simply upload it here. But if not, don't worry. The text-to-speech feature works great. I've actually created another ChatGPT prompt to help you write a professional narrator voiceover script. Just copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and set the duration you want for your video. ChatGPT will instantly generate a smooth, natural-sounding narration script for your story. Once you have the script, copy it and paste it into Katalist AI. Just remember, the tool allows up to 300 characters at a time for each voice clip, so you might need to split your script into smaller parts. After that, select your AI voice and click Generate. The voice clip will automatically be added to your timeline. You can repeat this process for all the lines in your story and arrange them perfectly in sync with your scenes. When you're done adding voiceovers and music, your project is ready for export. Just click Export and download your final video.
The sea roars with thunder as emerald waves crash against burning ships. Cannons blaze through the smoke, and men shout over the storm of fire and splinters. Amid the chaos stands Edward Kenway, his coat whipping in the wind, eyes locked on the horizon. The captain of the Jackdaw, chasing glory in a world of smoke and salt.
Keep firing! Don't give them an inch!
His crew scrambles across the deck, loading cannons, ropes flying as pirates swing between ships. The air burns with gunpowder and sunlight breaking through the clouds.
Move! Move! Get those cannons loaded! They won't last much longer!
Edward moves through it all, shouting orders, fearless, alive. The sea his battlefield and his freedom. But victory fades as the Jackdaw limps away, torn sails catching the dying light. In a quiet tavern, Edward counts his coins with weary eyes, the promise of fortune slipping through his fingers. Outside, the docks lie silent, no laughter, no crew, only echoes of what once was. Now he sits alone, lantern flickering over a wanted poster with his name. The wind howls through broken masts. A storm rises again, tearing the coast apart. Amid the wreckage, Edward walks the shore, searching for something worth saving, perhaps a life, perhaps his own.
As you can see, the final result looks absolutely amazing. If you've ever wanted to make your own short film, vlog, or cinematic story with consistent characters and realistic animation, Katalist AI is the tool you need. You can try it today using the link in the description. The best part? Katalist offers a 7-day free trial with full access to all features, so you can explore everything before deciding. And if you love it as much as I do, you can upgrade to a paid plan starting at just $19 per month. That's all for today's tutorial. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.